Hello everyone, I am Hers and this is the course introduction video for Leetcode 75 series. Welcome to the Leetcode 75 challenge. If you are looking to strengthen your problem solving skills, crack coding interviews, or build a solid foundation in data structures and algorithms using Python, you are in the right place. This challenge is based on Leetcode 75 study plan, a carefully curated set of problems organized into key patterns and topics that are essentials for interviews. Instead of solving random questions, we focus on mastering the most impactful concepts in a structured and practical way. What you will learn in this challenge? Each problem in this series is designed to help you go beyond just coding. We will follow a clear and structured approach, which is understanding problem statement, build strong intuition, explore brute force approaches, optimize step by step, write code that is optimized and meets interviewer expectations, as well as coding platform submission standards. Write clean and efficient code. Along with every problem, you will also get code solutions for your convenience, time and space complexity understanding, direct link to the original problem. The learning approach. Before starting any new section, we will learn the core algorithms and concepts in depth, understand the pattern behind the problems, then apply that knowledge to solve multiple questions. This ensures you truly learn, not just memorize. What are the topics covered? This challenge is divided into following sections: array and strings, two pointers, sliding window, prefix sum, hash map, set, stack, queue, linked list, binary tree, which has DFS, depth first search, binary tree, breadth first search, binary search tree, graphs, depth first search, graphs, breadth first search, heap, priority queue, binary search, backtracking, DP, 1D, one dimensional, DP, multi-dimensional, bit manipulation, try, intervals, monotonic stacks. Who is this for? Whether you are a beginner starting DSA question and answer journey, preparing for coding interviews, or revising important concepts efficiently, this series will help you think like a problem solver, not just memorize solutions. Stay consistent, code along, and by end of this challenge, you will notice a massive improvement in your problem solving skills. So let's get started.